Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to send a picture to all at once in the application Snapchat. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Let's get started. To do this, we're gonna open up the Snapchat app. We'll take a snapshot. I have a snapshot of my keyboard. Next, we're gonna hit send. To send it to all of our friends, we'll need to tag them, and so on down the list. But if you have a lot of friends, this process will take quite a long time. So that you don't have to tag all your friends every time, we need to create a new shortcut. To do that, we need to click on the plus sign. Then create a new label and select all of your friends. But when we create a shortcut, it will only need to be done once. In the future, we will already have a folder with all our friends, and we will not need to check all our friends every time. We've tagged all our friends. Next, we create a shortcut. To do this, we need to select some emoji from above. We're going to choose one. I'm going to choose this one. Now we see that we have created a folder with our friends. Now, in order to send our photo, which we have already done earlier, we click on Send, and here we can click on the label. We can see that we have a group with our label. If we click on it, the photo will be sent to all of our friends at once. That's how easy and simple it is to send a picture to all your friends at once in Snapchat app. I hope this video was useful to you. Put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel. See you later.